Got a very thin coat of liquid clear, so I'm going to do a little sunset. Right, there we go, there's a thin coat of liquid clear, bright orange. I'm using the same brush. Look at this, how bright that is. Yeah, I think I'm going to have my horizon line around that area. So I will put some more, and look at this beautiful orange colour. Let's put some brightness in the sky. Got to put this on sort of quite thick really, and then just sort of play about with it. Right, I'm going to just gently just put a few little bits of colour here and there. Go really lightly with this. I'm going to try and do some clouds as well, so I could play around with this bit quite a while. Right, I'm going to make a sort of black. I'm going to use some black and some orange together. And just see how this comes out, this colour. I've got black and orange together. It makes like obviously like a brownish sort of colour. So that's the orange I'd left on the board and some black. Okay, let's tap into this colour. Just want to create some kind of, can't see much over here, but very lightly indeed. Fluff, 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 fluff. You go over that. All I want is a little bit of white. A little bit of white. I make this quite bright. I think I might use my finger to put this on. Yeah, just white and yellow mixed together. I'll show you. I'm just going to hopefully stick this on. Hopefully it'll behave itself, and just sort of, I'm going to go about here. Very, very gently. That's it. That just sets it back a little bit there. Well, that's so light, I couldn't even tell you how light I'm doing that. I'm going to do the water now, okay? I'm going to do the water. So I've got some yellow. Yeah, the water's going to be yellow. So I'm just going to pull down here. I've got to think where I want the horizon line, so we're going to come something like this. Starting from up there. Don't forget, tap the screen, guys, if you can. That's the good thing about doing the water first, obviously, because you can just paint over that. Pull that down. Keep that kind of quite like that, sort of darkish in that corner. Clean brush here, and we're going to pull this down. Just here like this. And then we're just going to go across. And that will give us our watery feel to the painting. There we go. That's quite nice, I like that. Let's go into that dark paint here that I made, the orange and the black. It makes a very nice brown. Now I can just sort of add a little sort of thing in here. Just a little bit of land where this comes along here. Let's just take it all the way across. Jenny, thank you so much, I appreciate that. I'm going to come across here. Guys, if you haven't had a chance to check out the website, then please go and have a look at it. There's over 100 paintings on there for sale. You can order prints as well. If you fancy a print of this one, you can send me a message on TikTok. So yeah, let's just create all different kinds of heels and things in the background. There we go, look at that. Keeping it low around that sun. The sun's just peeping over. Yeah. Wherever your hand takes you, just go for it. There we go, look at that. Very gently, if you lift up very gently, it makes tiny loads of little trees. I'll tell you what we're going to do first. Let's just take a dollop of that on here, like this yellowish sort of white for the sun. Let's just do this, look, watch. And let's do, we can pull this down, you see. And then we've got a little bit of a sheen going on there. That's quite nice, isn't it? Okay, now we can work on some reflections that we got up there in the hills. Gonna pull down here, just a touch with a 1-inch brush, pulling that down into the water, and then we're gonna go across, and then we've got our water reflections there, yellow and orange. Just a little roll of paint on there, and then we can scratch in a little sort of water line just to show where the edge of that is there. That separates. Okay, let's think about how this sort of comes in. I'm just using this brown here. Gonna come across here and put some landing. This comes all the way. There we go, look at that. That's a nice sort of level there, I think. And then we can just fill all that in. Just like that, that quick, you can create a painting. There we go, look at that. So we can have it sort of coming here like this. We can just pull that down into the water there. There we go. Little flicks up. There we go. We can have some little trees there maybe or something. Bushes here, I think. Just a little bush there. Reflect that one in the water. Let's just do a few of these trees. There we go. So we can just sort of push up here and just put some kind of colour there, and then we'll pull down again and then just swipe across and then go across. There we go, look at that. And then we'll just do a little, let's just do, there's one that lives there, that on there, that easy. Another little sort of one here, just a bit thinner. There's another one there, and I've got the old script brush, and we can just add some little sort of things here and there. We'll just add on some little grasses down here. Just adding all these little things here. Growing. Might even have to put a little bit of red in it. Just trying to think of some. Putting all these little things that you might see in there. A little bit of that on the edge there. That's it.